Welcome to qnawire.
For block A, theta is 30, mu A is 0.2, mu B is 0.3, MB equal to 20 kg. Along the inclined plane, so along the inclined plane, TA equals to FA plus MAG sin theta. Let's take it as 1. And perpendicular to the inclined plane, NA is MAG cos theta. From equation 1, TA is mu A NA plus MAG sin theta. So putting the values of NA, we get TA is equal to mu A MAG cos theta plus MAG sin theta. TA is MA mu AG cos theta plus G sin theta. Let's take it as 3. For block B, along the plane TB plus FA plus FB is MBG sin theta. TA plus mu ANA plus mu BNB is MBG sin theta. Let's take it as 4. Take this equation as 4. And perpendicular to the plane NB is equal to MBG cos theta. Let's take it as 5. So putting the values of 5 and 4, we get TA plus mu AMAG cos theta plus mu BMBG sin theta is equal to MBG sin theta. Let's take it as 6. Now from 3 and 4, we get MA mu AG cos theta plus G sin theta plus mu AMAG cos theta plus mu BMB G sin theta is equal to MBG sin theta. So putting all given data, we get MA is 0.2 plus 10 point cos into cos 30 plus 10 into sin 30 plus 0.2 MA into 10 cos theta plus 0.3 into 20 into 10 into sin 30 is equal to 20 into 10 into sin 30, which makes it 6.73 MA plus 1.73 MA plus 30 is equal to 100. So 8.46 MA is equal to 70. So MA is 8.27 kgs.